Hello to welcome new cars reviews today with another video. The 2025 Cadillac CT6 is a luxury sedan that emphasizes comfort, technology, and a refined driving experience. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Exterior. Elegant and refined. The CT6 boasts a sleek and elegant exterior design with a long hood, flowing lines, and distinctive Cadillac styling cues. Premium features. Expect to see features like LED headlights and taillights, chrome accents, and a choice of attractive wheel designs. Interior. Luxurious and tech-forward cabin. The interior is a haven of luxury, featuring premium materials like leather, wood, and metal. Advanced technology. It's equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and a range of advanced driver assistance features. Spacious and comfortable. The CT6 offers a spacious and comfortable interior with ample room for passengers. Engine. Powerful and efficient. The CT6 is likely to offer a range of engine options, including powerful V6 engines and potentially hybrid powertrains. Smooth and refined. Expect smooth and refined performance, with a focus on comfort and quietness. Performance. Comfortable ride. The CT6 prioritizes a smooth and comfortable ride, making it ideal for long journeys. Agile handling. Despite its size, it offers agile handling and responsive steering. Price. Premium pricing. The CT6 is positioned as a premium luxury sedan, so expect a higher price point compared to more mainstream models. Price range. Pricing will vary depending on the trim level, engine option, and chosen features. Functions. Advanced driver assistance systems. The CT6 is likely to come equipped with a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Infotainment system. The infotainment system will feature a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a range of connectivity options. Luxury features. The CT6 will likely offer a range of luxury features, such as heated and ventilated seats, a premium sound system, and a panoramic